As a student, most especially a full-time college student just like me, one problem we may be faced with is how we can make some extra income for ourselves while pursuing our college degree. Some financial expenses for college students could range from tuition fees, paying for our textbooks or course materials, loan payments like student loans, housing expenses, and so on. And that's the reason why it is important that every student should have something he or she is doing in order for you to earn extra income. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 income streams, ideas you can start up as a student or as a college student. The first income stream idea is offering a tutoring service. Now, as a student, there are several ways you can teach people, be it online or offline. So let's say you're good at certain subjects. Take, for example, mathematics, English language, physics, biology, and so on. And you found out that several other students in your class, or maybe some other students in your class, are not so good at this course or this area of study, and they really want ways they can actually develop their skills. And you know, you're somebody that is so good that you're an A plus student in this type of subject. Now, in this situation, you can actually decide to offer either an online tutoring service or an offline tutoring service. You can choose to start up an extra tutorial maybe after classes for the day, or during the weekends, maybe on Saturdays or on Sundays, or during the days you will not be having lectures in school. You can choose to bring up this tutorial maybe in the school or somewhere else where other students can come in and learn with you. That's like a physical tutoring service. Or maybe you could do it online, where you form a group online where students can join you and you can tutor them online. This way you can charge them the amount that you feel is comfortable for you to charge them for your ideas, for your knowledge, and you will be so surprised as to how many students will be so interested to learn from you. As long as you are ready to give them the value, as long as you are ready to help them, to impact knowledge into them, to help them become better in that particular subject. Another way you can offer tutoring service could be from a skill that you're so good at. Take, for example, you're good at graphics designing, or you're good at video editing, or you're good at doing people makeup. You can actually start a tutoring service. Maybe you start a makeup class where you can even charge, let's say, from 20,000 naira, that is if you're from Nigeria, or maybe $20, or the amount of money that you feel is valuable for your skill, for your knowledge. Okay, you can actually charge people, and you'll see that people are ready to actually buy your course. They are ready to actually learn from you. Or you could form a course, a digital course, maybe an ebook, or you can record a video where you teach people, or just look for a way you can actually form a digital product teaching people maybe how to become better in makeup, or how to learn video editing, the basics of video editing, the basics of graphics design. You will see that a lot of students will be so eager to learn all these skills. Why? Because it will help them when they are good at it. It will help them to generate more money. And you as the teacher, you as the tutorer, you would be able to make more money for yourself as a student. So that's one of the way you can earn money as a student. Now, another income stream is you learning a skill. This is somehow linked to the first one that I mentioned to you. The reason why I said learning a skill is because definitely you cannot teach somebody what you are not knowledgeable about. Before you can teach people how to know how to do makeup, how to become a good graphic designer, you need to learn that skill, right? Now, when I talk about learning a skill, I'm mostly talking about you learning a skill so that you can offer it as a service. Okay, let's say you want to learn makeup skill. You're very good at makeup. You decided to learn a makeup skill, and then you became so good at makeup. You can choose to make people up, students in the school. And let me tell you something. You see, when it comes to making up, a lot of students really like, they are ready to patronize you if you're so good at making up. The reason why is because some students from time to time, they have activities that they actually go for, and they are actually looking for people that are going to glam them up for their events. Now, another good skill you can actually learn is graphic graphics design skill. When you learn graphics design skill, you can offer services like helping people to design logos, maybe logo design. You help people to design packaging materials. There are a lot of brands out there. You can reach out to people, maybe somebody that wants to start up a brand, maybe they want to start up their physical product. You can actually help them to design their logo, their business logo. You can actually help them to design their products and packaging, the way their product packaging design is going to be like. You can help them to design it. There are a lot of services you can offer if you learn the skill of graphics designing. Another service you can offer if you're so good at graphic design is thumbnail designing. Now, a lot of YouTubers are out there, and they are still coming up. A lot of people really wants to become a YouTuber these days. You can actually go to Fiverr, you register on Fiverr, or you register on Upwork with your skill as a good thumbnail designer or a graphic designer as a whole, and you're going to get jobs. Or you can actually look for the emails of some of all these YouTubers, telling them you are good at graphics designing, telling them you can actually help them to design their thumbnail. You'll be able to get jobs as a thumbnail designer. So there are a lot of things you can actually do, a lot of services you can actually offer if you're a graphic designer. And when you're doing this, you will notice that you're able to make some money for yourself. This type of skills that I'm actually mentioning to you are not skills that will take your time 24/7. When you're doing this type of skills on the side, even as a full-time college student, you'll be able to face your studies and also have something that you're doing for yourself. Now, another side hustle for students is becoming a social media manager. Now, if naturally you're somebody who is so drawn and attracted to social media industry, you love social media as a whole, you can actually offer the service of becoming a social media manager. Yeah, you can reach out to business or content creators or people that has social media following. You can reach out to them, telling them that you want to help them handle or manage their social media account. You will notice that a lot of brands out there, even some content creators out there who are so busy with other things they do with their life, and also some brands, businesses out there who need people that will help them to handle and manage their social media accounts. This is where you come in. You can actually help them to handle and manage their social media accounts. And as you're doing that, you're earning some money for yourself and you're still able to pursue your college degree. Now, it's important you note that being a social media manager goes way beyond just posting for the brands or the content creator and replying comments for them. Now, just like other skills or any other job out there that also requires you to learn and understand the nature of the job, that is the way social media manager requires you to also learn and understand the nature of the job. Now, as a social media manager, you are tasked with developing a plan. You need to come up with a plan, a social media plan or a social media strategy on how you can help these brands or this content creator or your clients, how you can help them to grow their social media platforms. Another thing again is that as a social media manager, you would need to understand different social media platforms. That is, you will need to understand the algorithms of different social media platforms. Take, for example, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and so on. The reason why I said this is because your clients might be more focused on growing their YouTube channel. And if you don't understand the algorithm, the way YouTube actually functions, or the basic way YouTube actually functions, how can you help them promote their YouTube platform? It will be impossible. The same way goes to TikTok or Instagram. If you don't understand the way these platforms actually function, the algorithm of this platform actually function, how can you help them to grow their accounts? So, which means being a social media manager, one of the things you're tasked with is understanding the platform that you're going to operate on. Okay, understand the platform that your client is more focused on growing. Your clients might give you their YouTube accounts, telling you this is the one I want you to handle. You need to understand YouTube platform and then come up with a strategy on how you can help your clients to grow their social media or their YouTube platform. Now, the next income stream for students you can start is selling a physical product. Now, as a student, see, there are a lot of students, there are a lot of things you can sell in campus, there are a lot of things you can sell in the school that students will be so interested in buying. There are a whole lot of things. Take, for example, you can sell jewelries, you can sell let's say necklace, earrings, nose ring, or these knuckle rings, like something that I'm wearing like this. I actually bought this thing from students. These are just fancy knuckle rings, you can sell bangles, there are a lot of jewelries you can actually sell. You can sell handmade beads. Let's say you're someone that is so good at beads, or maybe you decided to learn the skill of bead making. You can sell beads. You'll see a lot of students will be ready to buy it. Another thing I know that moves well in school is makeup product, most especially lip gloss. You can decide to learn lip gloss online. You look for good people that are going to teach you lip gloss. Maybe you pay for online lip gloss class, or maybe you can watch several videos on YouTube that is going to teach you how to learn lip gloss. Then you learn this lip gloss, you make it, you sell it. You see that a lot of students will be ready to buy from you. Other physical products you can sell is cloth, maybe thrift wears. If you don't have the money to invest in brand new clothings, you can sell thrift wears. You can sell ready-made nails or press-on nails. Yes, you see that so many students are ready to buy press-on nails, because I mean, there are several students out there that wants to keep their nails looking so beautiful, that wants to fix their nails, but they don't have the money to pay nail tech to fix their nails, and rather they go for a cheaper option, which is buying press-on nails. So you selling beautiful lovely design, variety of designs of press-on nails, you see that it will go well for you. Other things you can sell is lash extensions. I have some friends in college, I have some friends in the university that actually sells lash extensions, and it is moving very well. So lash extension is a good physical product you can sell. Another thing again is perfumes or perfume oil, something like this. You might not really know what this product is. This is actually a perfume oil. This is a touch perfume oil. This is a small product that you can easily just put into your bag, take it to school, and then sell it to your fellow students. It might not even be people in the same department with you, maybe people in the campus. You can sell it. It is going to go well, because students love buying perfumes, most especially all these wonderful and lovely smelling perfume oils. Other things you can sell, we have sunglasses. You can actually sell sunglasses. You see, students that really loves fashion, really loves things to make them look so beautiful, they're actually going to patronize you and buy your sunglasses. These are just some physical products you can sell in school as a student. These physical product ideas I mentioned to you are not something that you need to spend too much to start up. You don't need to spend so much money, hundreds and thousands of nairas, for you to start them up. Okay, it's something that you can actually start with low income, and you will get gain, you will get some pocket money for yourself, you get some money for yourself while you are still studying in school. Now, the next income stream idea for students that you can start is becoming a UGC creator. Now, personally, this is the one that I subscribe to. I am actually a UGC content creator. Apart from the fact that I am an online content creator, I have my Instagram, my TikTok profile, my first YouTube account, that's girl Chioma, and this is my second YouTube account. I'm somebody that loves content creation as a whole, and yes, I also took up becoming a UGC content creator. Now, becoming a UGC content creator has to do with you creating content for brands. You don't necessarily have to have a social media following. You just create content for brands, you send it to this brand. You don't need to post it on your page. Okay, you don't have to post on your page. You're just creating for brands to post on their own page. So even if you want to have a social media following, maybe it's because it will help you to build your portfolio, your online portfolio, and brands will be able to see you more. But it's not really a must for you to have a social media following before you can become a successful UGC content creator. The only thing I will say is that one thing is that you need to be very good when it comes to camera angle, or let's say if the UGC content you're going to be doing involves you showing your face on the camera, or even talking as you're on the camera, face to face with the camera, then you will need to learn camera confidence. Don't worry, I'm still going to film a separate video on camera confidence to help you become confident on camera. But this is something that you're going to have to learn. Okay, so becoming a UGC content creator is something that is very lucrative. It's a very lucrative business. You can actually start up with, let's say, $100 for a UGC video for a brand, going upwards like that. You being a UGC content creator just has to do with you creating content for brands, and brands are going to use it on their platforms to grow their business, and that way you're also making money. So becoming a UGC content creator as a student is one of the ways you can actually make money as a student while you're still pursuing your college degree. And content creation as a whole, becoming a UGC content creator is actually a lucrative business that you can venture into. Now, if maybe you want to go more into content creation, maybe you want to become a content creator, not just a UGC content creator, you want to have a social media following. Now, it is very important for you to have certain mindsets. Yes, there are certain mindset that you need to have if you want to become a successful content creator. And talking about those mindsets, I have actually filmed a video on that, on 5 mindset shifts that you need to have as a content creator. And I'm going to leave the link of that video over here. So my loves, if this video was helpful to you, please make sure to give my video a very big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the post notification bell to be notified when next I upload a video. So my loves, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.